लोग केक कट करके यहाँ पे सेलिब्रेशन कर चुके हैं और हम लोग की तरफ से कुछ छोटा मोटा गिफ्ट है। बाकी हमारे सारे दोस्त यहाँ पे कुछ खाने के लिए इस छोटू के लिए लेकर आए हैं और हम लोग इस छोटे से गिफ्ट से शुरुआत कर रहे हैं। उम्मीद है कि आरडीआई टॉक्स वाले जो भी फैमिली हैं और आरडीआई टॉक्स की तरफ से इस बच्चे को आने वाले समय में फ्यूचर में काफ़ी हेल्प किया जाएगा ताकि ये पढ़ सके और लाइफ में काफ़ी आगे बढ़ सके और जो इसका सपना है वो पूरा कर सके। हम लोग से जितना हो सकेगा ना लाइफ में, जितना हो सकेगा, ऑन द स्क्रीन रिकॉर्ड में बोल रहा हूँ कि जितना हो सकेगा आरडीआई टॉक्स फैमिली इस बच्चे को और इनके पूरे परिवार को मदद ज़रूर करेगी। एज सुन एज पॉसिबल जितना ज़्यादा हो सके हम लोग कोशिश करेंगे। ये छोटा सा गिफ्ट है हम लोग की तरफ से और अभी पहला गिफ्ट मेरे तरफ से कपड़ा है और ये पहनेगा। बाकी यहाँ पे कुछ कॉपी है, जो कॉपी किताब है यहाँ पे ये पढ़ सकता है। यहाँ पे एक मैंने जीके का भी बुक रखा है, ये भी पढ़ेगा और इसमें कुछ लिखना होगा ये लिखेगा। बाकी ये मेरे तरफ से गिफ्ट है तुम्हारे लिए। फोटो खींचो उधर देखो, अब वीडियो बंद करके और
This boy hardly got his admission in IL. If I talk about his first stage, and it was pretty hard for me when I faced him first of all in my life. When IL was in Banjari, he came with his father and his father was working at my home. He is a building constructor, so he was constructed my building. So there he told me about his son. He named as Munna. So I thought like, who is that guy? And he just took it to me and said that go to IL. And then he came to IL and I took his test. He was unable even to make even sentence. Tense was just so biggie for him. He studied here. I took him as like his father is my contractor, so I thought if I reject him, so he will mind. There the journey starts of Munna, and he started coming IL and studying here. Day passes into month and month passes into year, and then we realized that it has passed nearly 6 years of IL relation of Munna. He studied here 2 years, 2 or 2.5 years at IL, and it was pretty good journey of him. He studied well and he became a good English speaker as well as a good motivator also. And then he realized that I should do something, and when I saw his first video, I thought like that somehow Aftab sir is there also. Because when I see myself in my students, I feel like yeah, I'm doing something, and somehow if I look at them and feel like yes, he is one that who is doing something good. Then he last year he came to me and he said that, sir, we should have an interview together. And on that time we were facing the lockdown, first lockdown 2020, and I was so frustrated on that time also because due to lockdown, and I felt like why government is doing so and on. So when he started taking my interview at that place, you can check out that on his channel, that interview. And when he started introducing me, first he was hesitating somehow, and then I pushed him, come on Munna, you can do it, why not? Then he did it, and we made a good interview together, and he just started making videos, motivational videos, interviews. We just faced the flood like previous year also. He went there and took good journalism over there. So I was so happy that he was helping at that moment, and at the same time he's just learning something and doing at this age is just fabulous, I can say, and I appreciate him. Now he at the end everything gets better. I say always, at the end things gets better and better and better. That's what happened with him right now. His channel RDI Talks became the most viewed here in Gopalganj. At this stage, I must say that many channels are there who are running their videos and just broadcasting their videos on their channel, but at this stage, at this level, a guy who got this position is just beyond my expectation. He got 1 million views, and more than I pray to God that more than millions and millions views that he will get in future. And RDI Talks 15-20,000 of subscription he got since last 1 month, that and more than 1 million views on that video. That video name is Google Boy, and it's amazing. And you guys should learn something from Munna, that don't give up. This is right example.
Yes.
If you give up your dream, if you give up your whatever you are doing, it is English or anything else in your life, if you are giving up that, maybe you are just breaking yourself, not doing that, pretending something that yeah, it's enough now, it's over, nothing, I'm gonna get nothing, hence. So you can remember the face Munna, that never give up. He is the right example of that, never give up, and he just made himself like this at this age, and hopefully in future he will be the inspiration of millions. Thank you so much for inspiring us. He really inspired a lot, and he made a team also there in team. Rishu is there, Pawan is there, Prakash is there, many more people he inspired. So I really inspired by you right now for having this kind of achievement in your life, and in future hopefully you will get many more, because it's never be in, and if you feel like something is in, there is a new beginning, you should begin it, and this is the right example. So please give a huge round of applause for Munna once again. And he got this level of success at this stage, and he didn't give up and just felt like that I should be back and I should be back, and he did it well. So congratulations for that. And now we have that little surprise party cake. We have to cut it at IL, and I really obliged, because he felt like that his journey started from IL, so I should celebrate his first victory in IL. So that is the great thing for all of us. Being IIlian, this shows the love and affection. He can celebrate it anywhere, but he thought like that the teacher to whom I inspired by, I should go to him, and I should, because he also deserves something, the respect and props you are giving right now. So it's unbelievable and incredible for me. Thank you so much.
Actually, I would like to say one thing. Right now, whatever I am, the face you all are looking here, it's just because of my best guru of the world. I always say the best guru of the world for me is only my king of thousands.
So
My father has and my mother has given me a birth, but the life has made, he is only and only my guru. And this person has changed me, this person has inspired me, this person has, what I say, I don't have a word to express my feeling right now. The heartbeat is just
going high and high.
Yeah, this is going on the high level. So there is the only one thing, that is the only one in my life that who has changed me, and I
Your
always
hard work,
be,
your hard work is important.
I will always, he will be everything for me.
God bless you for your brighter future. Hopefully this is less for you many more will be there, and inshallah you will get the milestone of success, the epic one, the one which you can never expect in your life, the mammoth success in your life in future. And for you all guys, success is not in the pocket that you can put it out and just show it to the crowd and people. It just, you need to work hard and hard and hard. It just it needs a lot of hard work, your moil, your just struggle, ups and downs you have to see in your life, but at the end you'll have a lot of experience to learn. So we see the example to the crowd and among us in our friend circle, but we don't want to be one example that the people can give to you that example and they will salute you like the Munna we have right now. So congratulations once again for that. This is
समय था कि वह जानती है, उसका इंग्लिश नहीं आता था मुझे।
और आजकल सबको सब सिखाने वाला बन गया लड़का ये। लोग बड़े हो जाते हैं, पता नहीं चलता मेहनत।
बस ये था कि बीच के सफर में किसी को विश्वास नहीं था कि मुन्ना कर पाएगा, पर मुझे विश्वास था। तो विश्वास बहुत बड़ी चीज़ है। Keep it up.
Okay, let's hear it for no. I can't take that